Girls, come on page 37. Invertebrates. There are more invertebrates as compared to vertebrates on the earth. Invertebrates are those animals which do not have a backbone, and they are divided under subheadings according to their body structure. Some invertebrates have three or more pair of legs, but some don't have any. Some invertebrates have antennae, while others don't have. Some have a soft body structure, such as jellyfish, while others have a hard shell or exoskeleton. Girls, just come on the box. Did you know? One of the longest known animal is the bootlace, and according to the researchers, it is about 55 meters long. And world's smallest worm is nematode. Now, girls, just come to the topic worms. There are many different worms. Worms have long tube-like body with no arms and legs. Some worms are microscopic, but others are big enough. Some can cause many infections, but some are parasites. We have studied in our previous chapter in detail about parasites that they are the ones who live or take food on the surface on which they are growing. Now, where do worms live? Worms live in water, sea, in fresh water, inland, or under the ground as well. Some worms are very useful for us as they live in soil and enrich the soil. Girls, open page number 38. Our next topic is insects. How insects got their name? Insects got their name because they have sections in their bodies. An adult insect have about three parts: head, thorax and abdomen. You can see the structure as well. Insects have two feelers or antennae, which they use for smell or feel. Insects have two large eyes. Bees, flies, beetles are all insects, and their wings are attached to thorax, which helps them to fly. Some insects don't have any bone. Instead, they have a hard covering called as chitin to protect themselves. Some insects are considered to be pests because they destroy leaves, fruits and crops. Other insects such as flies and mosquitoes can cause many diseases. Some insects are social insects because they live in a group and formed colonies. Examples are honeybee and silkworm. So girls, this was our lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson very well. You have to read the lesson twice or thrice and do the back exercises, exercise number 1, 2 and 4 on the book with the pencil. Take care. Goodbye.